Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are taking you to another beautiful place. It is Huluganga Waterfall. Huluganga Falls is a waterfall located at Huluganga Town, about 30 kilometers away from Kandy Town on the way of Bambarella in Kandy District in Sri Lanka. The Hulu River or the Huluganga is originating from the Knuckles mountain range. This waterfall is about 75 meters in height. You can reach the waterfall after buying a ticket from the ticket counter, which is 50 rupees. There are many rocks on the river, and even on the rainy days the water does not get muddy because of the rocks, grass and plants, as well as less environment pollution. This cascading water sprinkles the villages of Elliyadda and Aratthana before flowing to the Victoria Reservoir. There are two ways to go to Huluganga Ella. One from Theldeniya Rangala Road and other is via Wathegama to Bambarella. You can use the public transport to reach this waterfall. It will take about 1.5 hours from Kandy to Huluganga Ella. You can go near to the waterfall and you can feel the breeze of cold air, but bath is not recommended in this place. One of the popular teledramas, The Mansion by the Fall or the Elliyadda and Aratthana, was filmed in this area. We invite all of you to visit this place and enjoy this natural beauty. But remember, a drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Let's save these places together. Thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.